Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color a family. Let's start drawing. First, let's draw the mom's face, her eyes, her nose mouth, and then her body. She's wearing a cute dress. Finally, draw her legs and shoes, her hair. Next to her, I draw a girl, her face, her hair, her eyes, nose, mouth, and then her body. I draw a nice dress for her too. And then her legs and shoes. Next to her, I draw her brother. I draw his face and short hair, his eyes, nose, mouth. He wears a shirt. I draw his legs and shoes. Finally, draw the dad. I draw his face, his hair, his eyes, nose, mouth. He wears a shirt. And I draw his legs and shoes. Well done! Now I am using this black marker to make this drawing more beautiful and lovely. I colored the mom. I color her hair light brown. Cream for her skin. Yellow. Purple for her dress. Yellow. Pink. Cream for her skin. I use the same cream color. Red. Yellow for her clothes. Red. Pink. I use the same cream color for the boy's skin. Black for his hair. Light green. His pants are blue. Green. I finished the coloring with the dad cream for his skin. He has very dark brown hair. Light blue. Blue for his pants. Black. Wonderful. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.